Good morning everybody, welcome back to Leicester Bathrooms. I'm Rob Lester, welcome to the channel where we're all about bathrooms, and today we are doing a shower room conversion. We're in a property where we've worked a few times before and we're ripping all of this out and starting afresh. Let me just show you the bathrooms we've done here before. Connor's here. Let's show you what we've done last year. So we've already been in here and we've done this one. New bath, new Enclosure shower, toilet wall hung basin. Didn't do a video of this because we were a bit busy at the time. And we've done this one as well. Through here, come with me. Lovely little ensuite in here. We did this last year as well, or was it this year? A bit more of a classic contemporary feel in here. Corner toilet, corner basin, electric mirror, little corner shower. Quite neat, fantastic. But it's this one that'll get our attention today. Let me talk you through what we're going to do. So, we're taking, all of this is going to go, this wall will go, so we'll have this, we'll make this nice and open, and then the basin will go, everything new, and then fully tiled, completely in natural limestone, which will look quite nice and grey. We'll have a new Enclosure touch shower there with probably a remote sensor over here somewhere. It's going to be a good one. Let's get it ripped out. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what happens when you don't seal fresh plaster. Got to seal that plaster. Okie dokie, that's this corner out. Basin is out, cabinets out, toilets out, towel rails off, all the tiles fell off as you saw because it's all unsealed plaster. Next is going to be getting out the shower valve, enclosure. We'll take this wall out, we'll get the tray out, but we're cracking on, come on. Bit of sweat on, but we're all out. Right then, we're all out for today. Good hard day, a few little cuts and bruises. Everything came out quite easily apart from the tiles that were on the ply. That's got to come out, and we'll put some aquaboard, and of course we'll membrane that because that'll be in the shower area. So a little bit of work to do, but we're all gutted out for the moment. So on to the next stage. Putting it all back together. Okay then, time for a little recap on this project. Basically, what we've been doing so far is first fix plumbing. We ripped out all this plasterboard, that's all got to go. We're going to replace that with aquaboard in the shower area, and we'll obviously membrane that as standard. All our first fixes in for the basin, for the toilet, for the rad. We're plastering the ceiling at the moment. We've got to run our two pipes from there into this shower area. That's we put the pump in. Let's go and have a look at the pump. This is where the pump is. Just down here. I don't know if you can make that out. We already had one from the existing project, so we just put it all here, created a shelf, and that should all work nicely. And that's feeding up and into that new room. Lovely. So we're plastering this ceiling at the moment. The next step is to secure all of this floor. We'll get the tray in there on a bed of sand and cement. We'll probably latex this floor because it's quite out of level. Reboard all this, and yeah, that's where we are at the moment. Okay, let's crack on. Good morning, guys. Bit of a progress update on the bathroom. We have the tray in. All this area has been aquaboarded and membraned, ready for tiling. Got our pipes through for our shower, everything. We've seen the ceiling before, lights are back in. We've just got to put a ply section through there to carry the basin so it's supported. We've latexed the floor because it was about a good 15-20 mil out from here to here, so now we should be pretty level. There we go. So we're ready for tiling. These are our tiles we're using today. They're a natural limestone, and we'll be putting them on the wall, landscape like that. So we'll get going. We're ready! Okay, we're getting there. Marching on nicely. They're lovely tiles. Natural limestone. Will have to be hand cut outside, but I think they're beautiful. Yeah, we're marching on. A little bit more to do, put the floor down, but we're getting there. With the help of, obviously a bit of classic FM always helps. Good morning, lovely people. Let's take a little recap of where we are on our current project. We're all tiled, walls and floor. Bit of heavy juicy operation because it's all natural limestone, but there we go. Looking lovely. Let's have a little scan round. I think it's come out really nicely. So, I like to keep a nice natural edge on the window. Looks all a lot better than edge and trim. So we'll seal these bad boys up. We need to seal it before we grout and then after we grout. Put a good couple of coats on. We're going to use a nice light grey on this to make all these lovely veins pop. And then we can start second fixing once that's done. So we'll crack on with that and on to the next. Cool. Okay then guys, well we're all done on the current project. I didn't take many videos of the second final fix installation stage because we were quite up against it, but let's go take a quick peek. Here we go. All done. There we go. Let's pop the lights on. The extractor fan will go on. Okay. Had to put this hardwood threshold down because the floor was so far out from right to left. We had to build it up about 40 mil. Okay, let's start in the shower. There's that. So we've got an Enclosure touch shower with a fixed head and a hose control panel, separate little wireless control on the wall here, which we push a button. A little fire up, there we go. Very fancy. You can divert by holding this down between the fixed head and the hose. Well, we won't do that now. Switch that off. We've also just got a fixed screen here and here, and a little flipper panel that you can pretty much have wherever you want, and it just stops any ingress of water coming out the shower. You just fix it around there for the moment. Nice little hib mirror with a shaver point around the corner. You can see that in there. Multi-light functioning, if you can pick that up. There we go. Switches between warm white and a cool white, so we'll probably leave it somewhere there. All hung 900 basin, all by Rocker. Little side shelf here, which is lovely because it just gives you an area to put your knickknacks and your aftershaves and shaving kits. Little towel rail there. Nice big drawers here with little movable compartments, all soft close as standard. Another one here, again with a little movable compartments for all your knickknacks, cufflinks. Will probably go in here. Little secret drawer. How cool is that? And this obviously for all little bits and bobs, objet d'art. This is the toilet. Nice dual flush loo. You can see here there's no rim at all for a lid. This is all one piece system, and this is held on with two clips here and here, and it just slides out, and behind there is a concealed system. So that's basically a cover lid. I think it makes it look very smart. It makes it look like it's all one piece. Yeah, very, very sleek. And then lovely heated towel rail, classic style, all nice in chrome. Goes so well with the limestone, which has all been sealed up. And there we have it. Very, very happy customer. So that's another bathroom done. Hopefully I'll upload another video soon. Been a bit busy at the moment, so it's that takes all of our time, but catch us soon and we'll put something up very shortly. Take care, bye.